All right, here we have Gwyneth, and Gwyneth is one of my patients, and she started myofunctional therapy with me about a year ago. Gwyneth is 14 years old, and her dentist sent her to me because of her tongue thrust. And so when I first met Gwyneth, that was the primary reason she came. And at that time, we found out a lot of things, didn't we, Gwyneth? We talked about the fact that your tongue was thrusting. And what else was your tongue doing? It was resting
on the bottom of my mouth.
Yeah, it was resting on the bottom of your mouth. And we talked about sleep and how your mom and sister would say that you would snore, right?
Yeah.
We talked about some habits that you had. You bit your nails all the time. And your mom said that oftentimes she'd look over at you, and when you were watching TV or reading a book, your mouth would just be hanging open, like an open mouth posture all the time. So we started myofunctional therapy, and tell me a little bit about that. Tell me a little bit about what the myofunctional therapy with me was like.
Well, I met with Miss Jenae once a week, and she gave us exercises, and I can tell, like, even in the beginning, I can tell that I was improving, and I was changing a lot, and I could tell I wasn't snoring anymore. And then after the whole year, like, it was incredible how just my posture has changed, and I don't eat with my mouth open anymore, and if I'm watching TV, my lips are closed, and it was just really cool how just over the year how things have changed.
That's awesome. So now your mom and sister say you don't snore anymore, right? Which is super cool. You're no longer thrusting your tongue, and your dentist says now that your braces are almost ready to come off.
Yeah,
Yay.
I have 9 to 12 weeks.
That's exciting. And you eat cleaner. Before, your mom called you a messy eater. Now, no more. She says everything's looking really good, and you feel more confident with your eating too. Yeah. Your lips stay sealed. Your tongue thrust is gone. And you said even your posture, just overall posture, has improved. Because we talked about how you kind of always had this forward head and rolled shoulder posture, and your mom says that she doesn't have to constantly tell you to stand up or sit up anymore like she used to. So that's awesome. You've done incredible with your therapy. I'm so proud of you, and you look great.
Thank you.
Yeah.